I don't have.
Welcome back to Daytime Live.
Oh my gosh.
Justice Minister Delroy Chuck wants to make the writing of a will mandatory in Jamaica, saying it will minimize the many instances of relatives fighting over deadlift, a factor that has led to many deadly family squabbles over the years. Using male police officers as an example, Chuck said the Administrator General's department often comes under pressure to settle their estate when they die because in many cases, they have many children at different locations.
Now, according to the Justice Minister, one of the greatest problems with people who have children is that when you do not create a will, the children suffer for many years until the Administrator General pulls together whatever assets are available so that they may be distributed to the children. Chuck strongly believes that will making is something that should be undertaken by everyone to minimize the issues that could surface after death when it comes to settling the estate. So our question today is, do you think mandatory will writing can minimize families fighting over, quote unquote, dead left?
No, sir, make it exciting a little bit, man. I never remember me, man. You understand? Because I can imagine after me pass and gone and the will there and them just sort it out and me just gone normally so and them just totally forget about me. No, man.
No, right.
Left them with something. Make them
surprise.
talk about me, man, for years.
Surprise, nobody knows.
No, a piece of asset over there so and a piece of asset around there so and two kids over there so will look like me, will have my name.
We're not sure.
We're not sure. Make it exciting. No, I'm joking.
We're joking. We do not believe that.
I do believe that it should be encouraged. I don't know if it should be mandatory because it's still your choice as to how it is that you want your assets to be shared and how all of that should be dealt with. But if you want it to be handled in a specific way, I do encourage that you at least leave some directions or some directives. In order for it to be seamless.
Yeah.
Because if me spend my life working hard and putting together certain assets and stuff like that, I might want to, you know. I'm gonna go with it.
No, but you can. I think this is a really good idea. You know what I think they should do? I think they should attach it to insurance policy. So whether you're 12, whether you're 16, whether you're 18, every time you like update your insurance policy, you know, for health insurance, that kind of thing, you must have a will. Even if you're not nothing, so you get into the habit of, you know, if you have, young people think they don't have anything. But as a young person, you may have a phone, you may have some sneakers, you may have whatever. Just so you're getting into the idea of thinking about what next and what you want to do with stuff. It should be mandatory. I think that's a really good idea.
Yeah, some young people, that's all them have to deal back.
The phone.
Big phone.
Why you stay like this?
But come on.
Nothing. Listen.
You
All right.
some people that's
No. So we asked a question on social media, on Instagram, and Nels_Chronicles said, definitely, because dead left broke up families in the worst way, because you always have a set that want all for themselves, and it's always the ones that are the most insensitive and uncaring to the deceased. I 100% agree with you, Nels. 1,000,000%. I don't want to go too much, but me agree. True that.
You can go on with it all of them.
Okay, somebody else says, Vinette Johnson said, oh, you know, sir.
Vinette?
I think, yeah, I don't know if I are Vinette. What's your name? D Thought Here says, no, it will not. However, it will at least establish a structure in which the orderly distribution of the assets, it will, if the deceased can take place. If the, what? Okay, it will also cause many of our citizens to become cognizant of what the law says and who can shout louder and bring the most badness. But as a nation, we need to teach things such as financial literacy, necessity of making a will, and putting in place things like a family indemnity plan to bury our loved ones. These are things that can be like life-changing if taught to the young early enough.
It was on an IG or Facebook page?
On IG.
Oh.
Is it on Facebook?
No. No.
Mish the Gemini says, no, the crab them still a go fight. But I wrote mine nonetheless.
Yes, some fighting are going. If fighting, if there's going to be infighting, because there are people who challenge wills.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. I'm so hot.
I'm always kind of flabbergasted when it comes down to people fighting over things that's not yours. You never spend your life for all these resources,
Yeah.
But
I'm not surprised though.
You're fighting over my own?
Yeah.
You're fighting over something that's not yours.
And you never work for,
Work for your own.
Yeah, I agree with that. Do you have a will?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I have...
Wills.
Listen to me. I have one daughter. So, I just know say everything I have is going to my next of kin or my daughter. I'm not married. So it's either my mother.
So you know, sir? How you know, sir?
So it's going to them?
Yeah. Have you not ensured that is what will happen?
That it goes to my mother or my daughter?
Yeah.
By having one mother and one daughter, I've ensured that.
You understand what I say? I will tell you guys a lot of things. Let me tell you something. No,
but who else can challenge? Who else could come into the picture and say them have?
Let me tell you something. Want to add something to something, right? Without giving too much of my life story away, it is important that you write a will. You don't know who pops up and says what and when says what. You don't know what governmental body pops up and says what. You don't know what boss, employee pops in and says, well, actually, you don't know what insurance company comes in and says, well, because of this, you don't know. Anyway, the best thing for everyone to do
but if they left the money
is
to
write a will.
But it's still running and said them forget they should have gotten a piece of it.
No, but if there's nothing that says specifically what is what and what goes where, anyone can contest anything that mommy say or baby say. Experience, may I tell you, write a will. It's very, very important. Write a will. See my writing will. After my daughter. It must also be signed.
No. How many for this date it?
Actual signature. I will need a witness. Clive, you gonna witness it?
I would if I witness there. Daytime.
All right.
And we'll be right back with a music video for Morgan Heritage and for everybody to witness
his will. Zoom in now, zoom in so we can see the will.
No, you don't
see
zoom. No,
what it says.
I leave everything
to who?
You're too far.
See? I'll tell you guys after the break because I could have me leave it too. I'm gonna tell you, I think I'm me. You know what I mean? I'm good.
Before that, me dash it to you.